Good evening, Chantel.
Good evening.
Yeah, here's your question. What do Botswana diamonds mean to you?
Thank you so much for the question. Botswana diamonds, when I think of Botswana diamonds, I think beauty. I think the source of our wealth. I think Botswana diamonds are what has put us out there in the map. And when I think of them, I associate them with what has given us opportunities. As Botswana diamonds have brought so much wealth and so much economic resources into our country. And when I think of Botswana diamonds, I also connect them with myself. I would relate to them as who I am. I'm a diamond, and we are all diamonds in the country. And besides just the beauty of what the diamonds are, they also represent us as Botswana. We are the greatest asset into the diamonds. We connect with the diamonds, and that's like the beauty of what diamonds are all about.